Hello, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you being here, listening and watching my videos. I had a strong message come through this morning, and it's nothing new. I've said it briefly, the topic, I've talked about it briefly in all my, well, not all, but many of my past videos. But I really want to reiterate in a more concrete way today and make it the bullet point, the main bullet point of this video. You can't expect, when you're on the light worker path and you're trying to honor your heart and honor your desires and honor who you really are, instead of who everybody else wants you to be, it's a work in progress. It's not easy, and it's a step-by-step, it's a moment-by-moment choice, it's a day-by-day choice. It's not black and white, but it is necessary if you are to find fulfillment and find peace and joy and freedom and feelings of expansion. That is incredibly important. So a part of that process that is hardest for most of us is when we still care about what others think, and we listen to what other people tell us to do, or how to act, or how to be. I'm sorry, my dog is barking. My brother just got here, I think. Athena, please be quiet. You have a script. You have a destiny. And you, when you're not following that, you're not going to be happy. And when you're listening to what others are telling you to do, or how to act, or how to be, even if it's nonverbal, I mean, most of the time it's just society telling you how to be, or it's religion telling you how to be. It's the biggest people that I've found in my own life, or my family and my friends, and it's mostly nonverbal. It's just expectations. You should do this, be this way, act this way. And I've found that as I elevate myself more, or not elevate, that's not the right word, as I grow and ascend higher in consciousness and wake up more and more, I am becoming free of those expectations and of people bossing me around, or not bossing me around, but expecting things of me, or expecting me to be a certain way. The control mechanisms and stuff like that people employ. And of course, it's a reflection. Of course, I still have that in my consciousness, but it's just one of those things where when you are really ready to just step into who you fully are and who you came here to be, you're going to start noticing, maybe possibly, people falling away in your life because you're no longer meeting their expectations. You're no longer trying to please them, or cater to whatever's going on. You're following your own path, and you're honoring your heart and who you really are. And so, and you'll always feel that alignment when there's like this. You'll always feel alignment with your script, the script that you came in with, the destiny that you came in with, when you feel good about doing certain things. Like, it doesn't have to be artistic, like writing, dancing, singing, drawing, whatever. It can be anything. But when I say that, I don't mean hurting people and being a negative person. I'm talking about, like, when you decide to do something that you think other people may not approve of, especially the people closest to you, you feel this excitement, this ecstasy, this, yes, this is my path. This is the way that I need to go. And so that's how your navigation, your internal navigation system works is that you came in with. You came in with that internal navigation system. And so back to my original point, don't expect, and I'm probably going to title this way on the video, don't expect people to understand your path. Just be free from it. Be free from people's opinions or people's energy around you, even, like the nonverbal, like I was talking about a minute ago. Just be you and stay true to your path. Really honor what you came in to do, what you came in to be, and how you're meant to serve humanity. And most of you that watch are light workers. And that requires a lot of unraveling the conditioning and the programming that we've been infiltrated with all of our lives, and stepping into our sovereignty, into our power, really integrating our higher selves so that we can keep going higher and keep helping humanity, keep serving in the way that we are meant to with our gifts. We all came in with unique gifts. So I just thought that don't expect other people to understand you. Just go along your way. And for someone like me, when I'm super sensitive, but what I've learned to do is that when I sense that energy with someone where they're like, is that the best decision? Or, I can sense energy very easily, so it doesn't have to be verbal for me. And probably most of you are that way too. But what I've learned to do is to go back to what I know and hear and what I know and hear, and to stay aligned with what I know is my path, at least for the moment, at least for today. To stay present within myself, to stay true to who I am, and to listen to my inner guidance at all times. So anyway, I think that message is complete. I feel good with that. I hope y'all are having a great day. And Rachel K is going to sign off for now. I love you guys. Blessings, hugs, love. Bye.